Hello, and today I'll show you a harmful setting that's present on every phone by She. It doesn't matter the model, it doesn't matter the Android, it's enabled by default. And by the way, it often enables itself even after being disabled. That's why you sometimes need to double check after each update. It cleverly interacts with these updates and re-enables itself not to them. So you still need to double check. Perhaps you've disabled it, and great job done. If not, then of course disable it. It doesn't really do anything special. It just interacts with your microphone. And even when the phone is, say, lying on the table, not being used, it can still Well, I don't think some people will like that, that's for sure. Good. So go to the standards analytic, look for advanced analytic, or then find the language line and find speech synthesis. Next, we're interested in the default speech synthesizer line. It doesn't really matter here. Usually, Google speech recognition is set by default. Very rarely, it's set to something else. And here's the thing. I don't know about you, but on some phones, I tried access it this way and see this menu. You can't press anything here. There's nothing, no settings. That is, there are sub-settings stored in this arrow. The transition is in this arrow. But sometimes you press this arrow and for some reason you still get to these settings. Anyway, if you can't get there right away, keep trying until you get it to a that is, you should be redirected to these settings. And here you need to disable these sliders for Wi-Fi only. Turn off the speech volume. Turn it off. We don't really need language recognition. The most important thing is anonymous speech synthesis reports. That best already got all this information. Anyway, turn off this slider. Tell us in the comments who had it enabled. Also, give it a like and subscribe to the channel.